Just wanted to bring up the S&P, and we said last week that that rally right to the top of that 2360, 668 level really didn't mean much, and it felt like it was month and quarter end markups, and indeed you can see this has played out. So we're back into balance. We're back to where we were on the shorter term charts, as you saw there, and I'm going to show a couple times here just so you can see kind of what I'm seeing. But we're back into balance here. This is, let's see, 5, this is about 2 weeks. But if you go back a little bit further to a month, which is, again, the larger time frames always are more important, that you will see here that we ran right to a 1 month value area there at 63 or so. And we were talking about that in our Slack channel all week, that if you pull back a little bit, pull back behind the kimono, you'll see that that rally probably won't hold. So here we are back to this range. And matter of fact, if we do get under this 2337 area, 35, 33, you can see that's probably going to be the last stronghold. And then we're going to go and test that low. Again, it was strange last week that we opened here and had these two little spikes Friday and Sunday, or rather Sunday, and then never went back and tested those the rest of the week. So I still think we have to at least go back here. The NASDAQ in the same time frame made a new high. It hasn't made a number of new highs by a tick, like 3 or 4 times. And even this morning, the NASDAQ traded up to 54.54. So I'll do another video on the NASDAQ, but the S&P is still the big daddy, and the big money has had all this time going back to the middle part of March to get back to that recent high, which isn't even our all-time high, and we couldn't even do that. So there's a lot of warning signs for me right now, and then you add on top of it, a world event, a bomb in the St. Petersburg, Russia subway, and a lot of these factors could be the reason to begin a little sell-off. Listen, we're only down 0.75% on the S&P here at 2341, so keep that in mind. It's not that huge of a deal yet. If 2340 doesn't hold, you're looking at 2333 next.